Hello, everyone. Welcome to our exploration of the many advantages of technology in today's world. I'm your name, and in this video, we'll take a closer look at how technology is shaping our lives, making them easier, more efficient, and exciting. From smartphones to smart homes, technology has become an integral part of our daily lives, and it's making our lives better in countless ways. First up, let's talk about connectivity. Technology has brought us closer than ever before, breaking down geographical barriers. With a few taps, we can connect with friends and family on the other side of the video calls, social media, and instant messaging apps have become our lifelines, ensuring that we never truly feel far from our loved ones. Technology has revolutionized the way we access information. No need to spend hours searching through books, it's all at our fingertips. Search engines and online databases have made learning and researching easier and faster than ever before. Efficiency is another key advantage of technology. In the workplace, technology has automated many tasks, reducing human error and saving us time. Whether it's office software, automation in manufacturing, or self-checkout kiosks at the grocery store, technology streamlines processes. Healthcare has seen incredible advancements thanks to technology. From telemedicine to life-saving devices, it's changing the face of medicine. Telemedicine connects patients with doctors remotely, surgical robots assist in complex procedures, and wearable tech helps us monitor our health. In education, technology has opened up new horizons. E-learning platforms and interactive tools are transforming the way we learn. Students can now access a world of knowledge online, and virtual reality is taking education to places we could only dream of. Finally, technology drives innovation. It's constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, from space exploration to renewable energy. Space exploration, renewable energy solutions, and artificial intelligence are just a few examples of how technology is shaping our future. In conclusion, the advantages of technology are undeniable. It brings us closer, makes information accessible, boosts efficiency, improves healthcare, transforms education, and fuels innovation. So, whether it's the smartphone in your pocket or the future tech that's yet to be unveiled, technology is propelling us into a brighter and more exciting future. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the advantages of technology. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Until next time, stay tech savvy and stay curious.